believe even in that which you cannot see, your reward will be greater than what can you imagine. Welcome parents for the annual day event for the batch 2011-2012. My heart is overwhelmed with your presence. A special thank you for our chief guest, Mrs. Prema Kotian, who has honored our program by giving her valuable time from her busy schedule. And Mr. Derek, thank you for giving your precious time, sir. I would like to give you a flashback of the year 2011-2012. First of all, I would like to tell you that your journey of 1,000 miles has begun with your first step in Nest Parents. Almost 11 years back, a small group under my guidance took baby steps towards a clear vision held primarily. No doubt, the journey hasn't been devoid of hurdles, but our humility, your cooperation has taught us take every difficulty in our stride. Nest may seem a small name for people outside, but once taken admission, will one know what advantages it carries. To alleviate the drudgery of studies, with a plethora of opportunities through excellent updated activities and the entertainment items staged by the students on this special day, annual day. It has been an earnest endeavor on our part to work as a team so as to take Nest to the pinnacle of glory. We train our students to face all the challenges and tests of time with guts. The holistic development of the child is of reign supreme in the school curriculum. Today, when the world has shrunk into a global village, the increasing competition that Nest has pursued with determination to hold its head high takes on a very important tone and temper. Our institution has been in the forefront of various activities. It is because of the unstinted cooperation and assistance extended by the very dedicated team of my staff. Parents, you will agree that schools are agents of change, and Nest has made justice to this statement by not only successfully running the Kalwa branch, but also organizing the most intellectual festival, the Nest Talent Fest of 2011, which brought forth the creativity of more than 60 schools all over Mumbai, thus proving Nest as a canvas to exhibit their unbridled potentials. At Nest, we value relationships, and by celebrating our Indian festivals,
आम्हाला ह्या इव्हेंटमुळे एक असा एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळाला आमच्या क्लासेसला किंवा अदर जे स्कूल आहेत, शाळा आहेत, जे पण आहेत, एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मुलांना असं रेग्युलर मिळावा अशी प्रत्येकाची इच्छा असते की आपला मुलगा पुढे जावा. पण शाळेच्या थ्रू लोकांना कळत नाही की आपला मुलगा नक्की काय करतो, शाळेमध्ये डान्स करतो की नाही किंवा काय अदरवाईज काहीतरी ॲक्टिव्हिटी करतो की नाही. तर ते लोकांना कळलं पाहिजे की नक्की आपला मुलगा काय शिकतो आहे, की त्याला काय आवडतं. ह्या एक प्लॅटफॉर्म असा आहे की ह्या टॅलेंट फेसचा की ज्याच्यामुळे मुलांना एक आयडिया भेटते की असं काहीतरी नवीन नवीन मिळत राहावं. की पॅरेंट्सला पण कधी माहिती नसतं की आपला मुलगा एवढा चांगला नाचू शकतो, डान्स करू शकतो. एक प्रत्येक मग जेव्हा तो ह्या इव्हेंटमध्ये ते लोक इन्व्हॉल्व होतात तेव्हा त्याला पण असं वाटतं की चला एक प्लॅटफॉर्ममुळे आम्हाला कळलं की माझा मुलगा एवढा छान नाचतो.
We not only celebrate unity, but also teach the children to build love on earth. We start with Raksha Bandhan, celebrating in a traditional style with beautiful Rakhis and a mesmerizing atmosphere. Followed by Gokulashtami, where many Radhas and Krishnas come and break the dahi handis. Breaking almost 4 to 5 dahi handis in each branch is fun.
सांगा तुमचं नाव आणि काय कसं वाटतं तुम्हाला?
माझं नाव यशवंत गावडे, निश्चित बसनगरला राहतोय. माझा मुलगा इथे या शाळेमध्ये शिकतोय. गोविंदा म्हणजे एकदम धमाल, मस्ती, मजा आहे आणि या मजेची जाणीव लहान मुलांमध्ये व्हावी याच्यासाठी जी नेक्स्ट शाळा जी प्रयत्न करते आहे ती अत्यंत जबरदस्त आहे.
माझी मुलगी जेव्हा जॉईन झाली आहे ना, बोलणं हा तिचा एकदम आवडता विषय झालेला आहे. शाळेत एवढी छान बोलते की म्हणजे विचारायला नको, असं तिची धमाल अगदी छान बघण्यासारखी होती. दहीहंडी म्हणजे काय, सण काय असतात त्यांना शाळेत येऊन चांगले कळायला लागले. दिस इज द बेस्ट स्कूल इन द.
Moving ahead, the Ganesh festival brings Nasik Dhol, Lejim, Gulal and the most important, eco-friendly Ganesh idol, which not only blesses the people around but also doesn't shy to take a sip of fruity on a hot day. Maha Aarti is a bigger attraction of our school because it has a Brahmin enchanting the mantras, thus blessing everyone.
It's a very grand celebration I am attending. This is the second celebration of Ganpati festival. I have attended the first one and I really thank madam that she's so full of enthusiasm and energetic, arranging all the things so nicely. I am feeling very happy to let my daughter in Nest. Really I am proud of the school and of madam.
मला खूप बरं वाटलं कारण की गणपती हा जो सण आहे तो मराठी लोकांचा खूप हे असल्यामुळे मॅडमनी ज्या प्रकारे तो साजरा केला त्या प्रकारे त्या मुलांना कळतं की गणपती कसा येतो, त्याची स्थापना कशी होते. त्यामुळे त्या मुलांना सगळं कळतं की काय हा सण असतो. त्यामुळे मॅडमनी तो खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे साजरा केल्याबद्दल मी मॅडमचे धन्यवाद मागते. हॅपी टीचर्स डे.
And then the dhol, baje re dhol baje. Yes, you guessed right, Navratri. Colorful chaniyas, beautiful garbas by beautiful couples, youngsters, enthusiasm and zeal of my parents is just like becoming younger day by day. Diwali, festival of lights, bursting crackers, distributing sweets and diyas is what we look forward each year. And then Xmas, the eve of pleasure sight, chills the bristled hearts at night. The dawn of new commencing light celebrates Nest with all delight. The students mark the birth of the Savior with great enthusiasm. The decorations brewing the nook and corners highlighted the school ambience. We celebrated Sports Day on 8th January 2012 on Shrima grounds, where our motto was boost your health with the dose of sports. The gain in self-confidence of having accomplished a tiresome labor is immense. This statement was profoundly expounded by the students of Nest School. A glorious day indeed, with many races, many prizes, and the most important was the parents' participation. And today, our annual day, a moment to want and muse and a pleasure to cruise, is availed in our institute to redress this day. Congratulations to our class of 2011-2012. Kudos to the talented and staff of Nest. 3 cheers for them. We are blessed to have such wonderful parents, both past and present. Thanks for your support. We could not have done it without you. Parents, we teach the children the most beautiful things in life are often the most difficult things to achieve. It is never a coincidence that we are most nobly gifted with some disadvantages or weak points which totally hamper our progress and deprive us of our goals, and we can never achieve success
अच्छा इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया हुआ है, हर साल ऐसे ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहे और ये स्कूल ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहे. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट.
तर की मी आतापर्यंत म्हणजे एवढ्या शाळा किंवा एवढ्या कार्यक्रम्स बघितले, पण त्याच्यामध्ये हा स्पोर्ट्स डे आम्ही इमॅजिन पण केलं नव्हतं. इतकं सुंदर आणि इतकं छान झालं ना की मी सर्व त्याचं जे श्रेय आहे ते स्पेशली प्रिन्सिपल मॅडमला देऊ इच्छिते की आज आम्ही पण जे कित्येक वर्षाने शाळेनंतर मी ह्या गेम खेळली असेल. मला खूप म्हणजे खूप थँक्स टू मॅम.
तुम्हाला काय वाटतं? हां, आता हे बोलले श्रेयचं नाव घेतलं, आमच्या मुलाचं नाव श्रेय आहे. सगळं काय श्रेय प्रिन्सिपल मॅडमला आहे आणि ते खूप छानपैकी अगदी मॅनेज करतात. खूप खूप छान.
प्रत्येक गोष्टीत क्रिसमस पार्टी
अगदी,
झाली,
अगदी.
प्रत्येक ह्याच्यामध्ये मला फार आवडलेल्या.
Unless we learn to conquer our weaknesses, fostering national integration and accepting others is what the school wishes to uphold. My beloved parents, success and failures are equally important to know and taste of your hard work. Accept yourself on basis of your strength and weaknesses and try to concentrate on your strong assets. The school waits to see your smile with confidence and courage. Parents, today our theme of our annual day is love. What the world needs now is love. God is peace. God is love. It may seem almost useless to talk about peace, mercy, respect and love when all around us in the world we see a continued state of evils of corruption. So the current and correct meaning of love, parents, is in such a corrupted world, one drop of true love be like an ocean in the desert. The giving of love and mercy to others is also a format of charity. We must allow our love to flow out and surround us. By allowing our love to flow, we become more refreshed, attractive and healthy. Soon, a generous heart will become precious heart. It is a universal power which knows no bounds. We have forgotten that God is within our hearts and that we are also creatures of peace, love and divinity. In this world of deteriorating ethical values, where can we find a better place than school, where the value of equality and other virtues are implanted in the minds of the students? You reap the things that you have sowed. This is the law of nature. The heart of it is love and the end of it is peace. Conquer this world by love. I thank the Kalwa parents who showed the courage in accepting a challenge in an absolutely new school. So, to all of you who embark on the next part of this amazing journey called life, all we can say is all the best and thank you. Thank you for being the flag bearers of this wonderful school. You guys are such a blessing. Much love to all.